What's up, guys? Today, here with Tauri Lazar, we're gonna rig a jib line. It's a Gibbon trick line for beginners. So, let's check out what the jib line box contains. Like always, there's the rat pad, there's a ratchet, and there's a line. We have two big trees, and let's try to rig the line.